Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries CNC vertical mill, PROTO-TRAK FHM5. It has a PROTO-TRAK SMX control. The machine is new in 2008. He's using the pulse generator hand wheels, electronic hand wheels. It has tracking, this machine. Serial number, by the way, is 084CX62048. That's the other axis, and that's actually using a hand wheel to bring the entire head up and down. Machine has a 40 taper spindle. It's programmable. That's your Y-axis. No, I'm sorry, it's your Z-axis. That's your Y-axis. And your X-axis. You have your X-axis travels 40 inches. Your Y is 20 and your Z is 24. You also have a 50 by 12 inch table, which is a nice size. 1,000 RPM, going up. 2,000. Spindle is very quiet. 3,000. 3,000 RPM. Again, max speed is 4,000. Machine has a Curtiss air actuated power drawbar. That's your TRAK SMX control. Machine has 2 USB ports, an RG45 connector. It's original paint. This is a nice machine. Hey, thank you for watching our little video.